Before going the topic charging by induction, let's talk about what is the conductors, what is the insulators. So when we talk about the conductors, it means that which help to pass the charge. For example, when you travel in bus, the conductor means which help us to reaching your destiny. For example, we talk about charge. So like take an example of simple life. First we take some bookish example. Say this is your copper ball, metal ball, and this is the attached with copper rod. Okay, if any material which has negative or positive charge, which is neutral, okay, so is contact with the copper, so they flow with copper and ultimately the metal ball get polarized, that get charged. Okay, this copper is called conductor because it help to reach the charge in its destiny. For example, you take your original case. For example, we take a reference, okay, not anything else. So this is your cap of bottle. If we understand, okay, in this is the water, okay, so with respect to water, see, if because conductor means flow, which flow allow to through flow. For example, this type of case like in conductors, because in this case we differentiate them. Say the bottle is like a reference, okay, I am not taking this like a conductor because it help us to flow the water liquid. Okay, like in bus, the conductors is help to this reach. Okay, but now we are physics, so it means that the definition is which help the charge for transfer, maybe transfer, or say help flow. Like this was a hypothetical case, we understanding, but the meaning of conductor is which help us to charge flowing with the metal, which is like this is the mediator, the broker, which help to like in for example, you gave you money with the help of a broker to the client. So the broker like a conductor because it's allowed to flowing the money to the client metal ball. Okay, this is an example if you understand, like in market value form. Okay, now we talk about insulator. I hope you clearly clearly see the what I am written in this book. So insulator. So insulator means like the meaning of it. Insulator means which oppose, okay, opposed to flow the charge. So in this case, our metal ball is connected with thread or anything else which is not allowed to charge. So now if our rod, say this plus, is attached with this thread, so this thread can't allow to flow this charge to the metal. In our case, like in this is, we take a money case example. This is our money and this is a broker. Okay, now this broker is not allowing to share the money with your client, say B. So like this is called this act now is like an insulator in response of this. Like in a hypothetical, for example, this is our river and we made a dam on it. Okay, so dam like is opposed to flow the water to the next destiny of this river. So this is act like an insulator. Okay, so this is an example of insulator if you understand about it. So I hope you understand. If you understand, that's good. Then you make a pen on paper and explain someone else imagine way. Or if you don't have this, so take any pillow. Assume that this was a 10 or 20 10 or 11 kid Yes, which know about the meaning of insulator conductor. So you explain what is the meaning of it, and some HW is you for you. If you don't understand, then watch now for through 10 23 times. So HW, if you understand the insulator or conductor, so make own example in real life which you think like it, like an act with conductor, say conductor or insulator, INC. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. If you understand, like and subscribe.